Sapiens: A Brief History of Humankind, by Yuval Noah Harari is a sweeping narrative that explores the history of Homo sapiens from their emergence to the modern day. Harari breaks down complex historical, biological, and philosophical concepts into an accessible and thought-provoking account of how humans came to dominate the planet. Below is a detailed summary of the book. 1. The Cognitive Revolution = 70,000 years ago. Key concept: the cognitive revolution marks the point where Homo sapiens developed the ability to think abstractly, communicate complex ideas, and imagine shared myths. Harari argues that language and storytelling enabled large groups to cooperate flexibly, which gave Homo sapiens an edge over other human species like Neanderthals. Shared beliefs in gods, nations, and money created collective identities, fostering cooperation at a scale unmatched by any other species. Though the agricultural revolution = 10,000 years ago. Key concept: the transition from foraging to farming was a pivotal, yet paradoxical development. Agriculture allowed for population growth and surplus production but led to social hierarchies, labor exploitation, and a decline in individual well-being. Harari challenges the idea that farming was a pure advancement, suggesting it trapped humans in a cycle of hard labor and dependence. The unification of humankind. Key concept: shared ideologies, like religion, empire, and money, unified diverse human groups. Empire, though exploitative, created stability and cross-cultural exchange by enforcing universal systems of governance and trade. Harari emphasizes that money is humanity's most universal and efficient shared fiction, enabling trust and trade between strangers. 4. The Scientific Revolution = 500 years ago. Key concept: a shift in focus from tradition to curiosity and empirical evidence revolutionized human understanding and power. Harari highlights the importance of acknowledging ignorance as the first step towards scientific inquiry. This era ushered in unprecedented technological and industrial advancements, ultimately transforming society. 5. The Rise of Capitalism. Key concept: capitalism, driven by the pursuit of profit, reshaped human priorities and values. Harari critiques capitalism's role in exploitation and environmental destruction while acknowledging its contributions to economic growth and innovation. The book discusses the symbiotic relationship between science, empire, and capitalism, which fueled globalization. The Anthropocene and human impact. Key concept: the Industrial Revolution marked the beginning of humanity's profound impact on the planet. Harari explains how technological advancements have made humans the dominant force in shaping Earth's ecosystems, often at the expense of other species. 7. The Age of Happiness and Artificial Intelligence. Key concept: modern society focuses on individualism, consumerism, and the pursuit of happiness, yet true happiness remains elusive. Harari explores how biotechnology and artificial intelligence are poised to redefine what it means to be human. He raises ethical questions about genetic engineering, artificial intelligence, and the possibility of Homo sapiens being replaced by new forms of intelligent life. Themes and reflections. 8. Human exceptionalism. Harari examines how humans rose to dominate the world through shared myths, cooperation, and adaptability. Though progress weighs cost, while humanity has achieved remarkable progress, it often comes with social, psychological, and environmental costs. The role of fiction. Shared myths, religions, ideologies, and nations have been central to human cooperation and civilization building. 4. Future challenges. Harari warns of existential threats posed by rapid technological change and the ethical dilemmas it brings. Key takeaways: shared myths unite and divide. Humans thrive on collective belief systems, but these same systems can also lead to conflict. Adaptability is a double-edged sword. Our capacity to reshape the world has both empowered and endangered us. Uncertainty about the future. Harari concludes by suggesting that humanity's next steps, particularly in biotechnology and AI, will fundamentally redefine the species. Sapiens is both a celebration and a critique of humanity's journey. It invites readers to question long-held assumptions about history, progress, and our place in the universe.